Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Sound section and click on Shortcut to prevent ringing. After that, set up Vibrate by clicking on it. When you're ready, tap on the back button and scroll down right away. Then click on this sweater next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to switch it on or off. Lastly, click on this one next to Touch Vibration to switch on or off haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!